Hi, cake friends. Let's apply this wedding dress stencil on this two-tier cake. You want to make sure your cake is very cold, and I'm just looking at the side that I would like, and use two pins to poke a hole. You can poke a hole beforehand on your stencil and just use a soft buttercream. And when you apply it on the cake, use kind of like a thin layer, not so thick, or try to have like a kind of uniform buttercream layer on it. The reason we have cold cake to begin with is so that your stencil is not going to smear off when you peel it off. The cold cake is going to be pretty firm, so nothing is going to get peeled off as you peel your stencil. Once you're done, then take off the needle and then peel it off slowly. And here I'm using a normal speed here to peel it off. Look how pretty all those designs. So far, this is based on a wedding dress, and look at that. It's an easy way to get like a stunning design on cake, like using a stencil. And once you're done with your stencil, you can wipe it off with buttercream. Oh, look at that. There's like some design on left over. You can also wash it off. I wash it up with, hot water and then soap. And then I cut off some part of the stencil just to see like what kind of design that I would like on the cake. Here's the top tier one. And then I cut off like the smaller part of the design just to, like exactly where I want it. And again, apply the buttercream. And sometimes your stencil can stick on the cake by itself without adding the pin on it. Maybe because some condensation on the cake that make the stencil stick. But kind of roughly apply buttercream on it, and once you're done, then gently peel it off, and you have a very stunning design on your cake. Look at that results. I'm gonna apply on the whole cake, but just one side. Just imagine that. This is so stunning. I'm so loving this. Even though it's imperfect, some areas I got it, the buttercream is kind of thick. It's so imperfectly beautiful still. And here I am layering it on the other side using the same stencil, and then just hover some parts of it that I cut off, and also on the top. Here it's kind of, I did it at night, so the lighting is a bit different, but the result is so stunning. I was so happy with it, and the bride is also so happy with it. It's just beautiful.